How to fix no valid QR code detected. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to start by going the three dots on the top right of your Chrome browser and go for its settings. Once you are in settings, click on this privacy and security on your left side. Once you have entered here, you have to go for this cookies and other site data. Click on that, and now here you have to simply search for see all the data and permissions. Once you have entered here, simply go for the WhatsApp and delete these cookies. Click on this clear now. Once you have deleted this, make sure to update your WhatsApp as well if you are using the app version from the Microsoft Store. If you are using on the Chrome browser, you have to simply clear the cookies. And now if you are going for the mobile version and trying to connect the WhatsApp from your web and still facing this issue, you have to make sure that you are using updated version of your WhatsApp on your mobile. So that's how basically you can fix no valid QR code detected error in WhatsApp.